Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Hydro Flask Brush is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for maintaining the hygiene and longevity of your beloved hydration companions, ensuring every sip is as fresh and clean as the first, without the hassle of hard-to-reach corners or lingering odors that can ruin your daily water intake experience. Number 5. Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing the ultimate solution for sparkling clean bottles. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle every type of container, ensuring hygiene with ease. You get a versatile 5-pack, each brush uniquely sized for different cleaning needs. From long beer bottles to sports water bottles, it has you covered. Its extra-long handles easily reach the bottom of narrow neck bottles like wine decanters. It also perfectly cleans standard and wide neck items such as baby bottles and tumblers. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free polypropylene, these brushes are resilient and bendable. They ensure safe and healthy cleaning without any peculiar smells. Each brush's unique shape is perfect for those tricky spots. Use them for tea kettles, coffee jugs, canning jars, and even flower vases. The firm, sturdy handles make cleaning comfortable and efficient. Plus, a convenient hook is provided for easy drying and storage after use. What we like? This comprehensive set offers a brush for every cleaning need, from narrow beer bottles to wide sports bottles. If you have a diverse collection of bottles and containers, this kit provides a tailored solution for each. It ensures every nook and cranny is spotless, making it perfect for thorough home cleaning. What people say. The brush features durable bristles that effectively clean the inside of water bottles, reaching all corners. Its long handle design allows for easy access to the bottom of tall Hydro Flask bottles, ensuring thorough cleaning. The narrow brush head is perfectly sized to fit through the openings of various water bottle types, not just Hydro Flasks. Number 4. Hydro Flask Cleaning Set. Maintaining your favorite Hydro Flask has never been easier. This essential cleaning set ensures your bottles and straws stay sparkling clean and ready for your next adventure. Its specially designed bristles are crafted to reach every corner of all Hydro Flask vessels. No more struggling with hard-to-reach spots, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The included straw brush makes cleaning reusable straws simple and effective. It effortlessly removes residue, keeping them hygienic and ready for repeated use. For ultimate convenience, these cleaning accessories are completely dishwasher safe. Just toss them in with your regular load for a hassle-free cleanup. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this set is safe for you and the environment. You can trust it to keep your hydration gear clean without any harmful chemicals. Invest in the longevity of your Hydro Flask products with this comprehensive cleaning kit. It's the perfect companion to keep your gear fresh and ready for anything. What we like? This set is specifically designed to perfectly clean your Hydro Flask vessels and straws. If you own Hydro Flask products and value convenience, its dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning effortless. It's the ideal choice for maintaining your favorite insulated bottles with minimal fuss. What people say. Number 3. Houseables 9-pack Flexible Bottle and Cup Cleaning Brush Set. This comprehensive kit provides the assortment and flexibility you need to tackle even the most challenging cleaning tasks. It's designed to reach stubborn interior and exterior surfaces with ease. The set includes both synthetic and natural bristles, ensuring you have the right tool for every cleaning need. These brushes are strong yet gentle, effectively removing dirt and grime. Each brush features a flexible design that adapts to unique shapes, allowing you to scrub away tough stains, even rust. Their galvanized steel wiring ensures they resist rust, maintaining performance and appearance over time. No matter the cleaning job, this 9-piece kit has a brush for it. They are perfect for removing dirt from various bottles, pipes, tubes, and even narrow bottlenecks. With a wide array of sizes, these brushes are ideal for cleaning tight spaces and are also easy to store. Each one has a hanging hook hole for convenient display when not in use. What we like? This extensive 9-piece kit provides an unmatched assortment of brushes for any cleaning challenge. If you are looking for versatility and the ability to tackle stubborn stains in various shapes, its flexible design and diverse bristles are perfect. It's an excellent choice for comprehensive cleaning of almost anything, from delicate glasses to tough decanters. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted. Number 2. WixByti 64 ounces insulated water bottle with straw. Experience lasting refreshment with its double-layer insulation and copper plating. It keeps your drinks cold for up to 48 hours and hot for 24, perfect for any adventure. This bottle offers 2 convenient lids, a straw lid for easy sipping and a spout lid for quick gulps. Its leak-proof design ensures no spills, and the included carrying pouch keeps your essentials secure. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its palm-fitting paracord handle, offering both style and coziness. It even includes a compass and carabiner, making it an essential companion for your outdoor expeditions. Make it uniquely yours with the included waterproof and reusable DIY stickers. These vibrant vinyl decals allow you to express your personality and stand out from the crowd. Crafted from 18-8 food-grade, non-BPA stainless steel, it ensures no odors and easy cleaning. Its wide mouth accommodates ice and fruit, and the powder-coated exterior provides a secure, non-slip grip. Your purchase comes with everything you need, including multiple lids, a carrying pouch, and stickers. We also offer continuous after-sales service, committed to your complete satisfaction. What we like. This large-capacity insulated bottle keeps drinks cold for an impressive 48 hours, perfect for long adventures. If you need a durable, high-capacity bottle that also comes with a convenient straw brush for maintenance, this is an excellent all-in-one solution. It's ideal for active individuals who value hydration and easy cleaning on the go. What people say. Number 1. Iron Flask Narrow Mouth Straw Lid. This accessory is designed exclusively for your Iron Flask Narrow Standard Mouth bottles. It ensures a snug and secure fit every time. Each package comes with 2 of these, 4 straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. You'll have everything you need to keep your bottles fresh and ready. Its functional design makes it easy to carry and drink from on the go. You can use it as a straw lid or a sports lid, adapting to your needs. Please note, it's not suitable for hot liquids. Crafted from top-notch, BPA-free materials, these and their accompanying straws ensure your drinks stay pure. They are built to last and provide peace of mind. Say goodbye to spills and leaks. These stay firmly secure to your favorite water bottle, keeping your liquid safely inside. Enjoy worry-free hydration wherever you go. What we like. This replacement straw lid offers full compatibility with Iron Flask Narrow Standard Mouth bottles, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking for a functional lid upgrade that also provides essential cleaning brushes, this package is a great value. It's perfect for users who want to maintain their existing bottles with new accessories and easy cleaning. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.